Hi guys, welcome to OnlineCameraShop.NL. So today I'm gonna show you the unboxing HD video processor. So like you see, we have here the remote control. We have here the adapter 12 volt. We have here the user manual, and we have here the unit. So this is the front. We have the button for the menu, button for automatic and freeze. We have button for a different mode, you can change the mode. This is the enter, and we have also different views of the camera here. Yeah. So by the other side we have here the DC 12 volt adapter 1 ampere. We have the VGA output, we have the monitor output 1, we have the monitor output 2, we have the camera input 1, camera input 2, and camera input 4. So we come here to the user manual. So like you see, we have the connect up to 4 video cameras. So adjustable brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness. So VGA output option, support output resolution up to 1280 by 1024, 9024. So the high resolution is 720 by 480, 60 Hertz for NTSC, and we have 720 by 567, 50 Hertz for PAL resolution. And we have, like you see, various display modes. We have this different various display mode. So quad split mode, full screen mode, pipe screen mode, auto sequence mode, high performance freeze function, so you can freeze the picture, high performance zoom function, you can zoom the area, various overlay information like a camera title, time and date, loose and motion message. So also there is the RS 232. This is option, so there is no, we don't have here. So like you see here, we have the menu, exit, menu setup, yeah, freeze function, auto frequency, sequence function, zoom mode, you can zoom it, and this is the different channel. So yeah, so this is all. Thank you for watching guys, see you next time, bye bye.